let's make it big. There are only 5 things that you have to do every single day 365 times. If there's one book that you can read, it has to be Principles by Ray Dalio. If there's one YouTube video you need to watch and rewatch again and again, it has to be The Untold Truth About Money by James Jani. If there's one skill that you need to learn, it has to be learning to write better. If there is one course you can do, it has to be The Science of Well-Being taught by Laurie Santos, who's a Yale professor. And lastly, if there's one habit you can learn, it has to be looking better every single day. How do you look? Are you sleeping better? Your physique and ultimately the type of food that you eat. I wish you all the best. 2025, let's
इग्नोर करना सीखिए। अगर आपको यहाँ से कहीं पर भी पहुँचना है तो रास्ते में ऐसी बहुत सारी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आएंगी, कुछ अच्छी लगेंगी, कुछ बुरी लगेंगी, लेकिन अगर हम वहाँ अटक गए तो हम अपने गोल तक कभी नहीं पहुँच पाएंगे। इसीलिए हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि अगर हमें अपनी लाइफ में कुछ अचीव करना है और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मानसिक शांति अचीव करनी है, वी मस्ट लर्न टू इग्नोर करना।
I'm in AI tools and
अगर आप कोई ऐसा मंत्र चाहते हैं कि घर से निकलते ही हर काम आपके बने, तो आप सुनिए मंत्र। सदा भवानी दायिने गौरी पुत्र गणेश, 5 देव रक्षा करें ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। ये आपका सुरक्षा कवच का काम करेगा, 5 देवता आपकी रक्षा करेंगे। अगर आपको
tell me top 5 AI tools that you think everybody should use.
The most important tools that you can use today, first of all, Notebook LM. It's by Google and it helps you learn anything. Let's say you have a video that you want to watch and you want to ask questions. So you ask Notebook LM. It generates a podcast that you can listen about that video, about that website, about that PDF, anything. Number 2, you should absolutely learn to use Sora. It's a brilliant platform with which you can create any video that you want to. Third tool, Google AI Studio. You can learn anything that you want with it and you can talk to it in real time. So it can look at what is in your screen and can tell you what to do after this step. The last tool to learn, Napkin AI, for me particularly is very good because with it I'm able to turn any text into visuals. Visuals which would otherwise take me hours and hours to make on PowerPoint or using the tools on video editing. I can do that in seconds. And if you're a creator, you should learn how to use AI avatar video apps. Using HeyGen and Eleven Labs, you can create an AI avatar of yourself and you can do that and scale your brand indefinitely. There's a website called futuretools.io which has a collection of all of these tools and every week they add new tools.
Tell me top 5 AI tools that
Let me explain you the concept of a corporate slave.
लियोनार्डो डा विंची, निकोला टेस्ला, एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन और इसाक न्यूटन, ये थे हिस्ट्री के आज तक के सबसे बड़े जीनियस माइंड्स। लेकिन ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा क्या स्पेशल था इनके दिमाग में जिसने इनको इतना जीनियस बना दिया? ऐसा ही कुछ डाउट नासा के कुछ रिसर्चर्स को आया जब 1960s के डिकेड में अपने अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट के लिए वो कुछ जीनियस माइंड ढूंढ रहे थे। तो इस सवाल